Hello family, I am staying in a balcony room aboard Carnival Sunrise for a 5-day cruise. Let's go check it out. Starting from the front door, right away when we go to the right, we will see one of the first closets. Here there is space above. You will find your life vest. Here is a pillow, a sheet, and some storage at the bottom. Moving on to the next closet now. We will have some hangers at the top and enough space that you could put storage at the bottom as well. And the third closet and final closet, there's some storage at top. Then you will find your safe, more hangers, and space that you could put storage at the bottom. Then to the right of the door, you'll find this area here. You need to put something in this socket because this will allow you to have the lights on. If you take it out, eventually the lights will come off. So you need to put something in there. That is an old card that I'm using. That's a tip for you. After now, you will see that there are some shelves. Here it is, an outlet at top, a nice size sink. At the bottom is a wastebasket. Here are your towels, your toilet, and this is your shower, no tub. And you can find your shower gel and your shampoo. So, unlike in the Carnival Celebration that had a door, this has a curtain. Nice size. Leaving now from the bathroom, going into the main sleeping area. Now here you will find a huge desk. I think this is a great desk. A lot of places that you could put things on top of. As a content creator, definitely a nice desk for me. You will find some shelving up here, your telephone. Now this is a little seat and a table. So you can use this table in multiple ways if you desire. I think that you can use it also just to bring it closer to the couch. If you want to have a table that you could eat on and then watch the TV. Here is some storage over here. And this is the TV that I just spoke about. It's a great size TV, enough and right in front of the bed, so that makes it convenient. Okay, so now, obviously somebody's asking, where is the fridge? And here is where the fridge is. The mini fridge is right here. To the right, now we can see the couch. Decent sized couch. I'm by myself, so this is all I would need. One end table here, and this is the bed. And so I noticed in this room there's only enough space for one end table, or that's what they provided in my room anyway. Usually it's at least one on each side, but in here it's one end table. Now going outside into the balcony. It's a little overcast today, so let's see how the balcony looks. All right, so decent sized balcony, only myself. The chairs look a little bit worn, a little bit. Has seen its days, as well as the table, a little bit of a few marks on it and so. But I can't wait to see the sea. We're still at port in Miami, but I can't wait to see that beautiful blue water. So back in the room, something that is so important to people, a lot of people want to know, how many outlets. So near the phone, you'll see your USB outlets. Here's a 220 volt outlet over here on top of the table, as well as two more outlets. And in this room, right, you can't see it with the pillows, but right on the bed, there's two more USBs right on the bed. So you can charge something right on the bed. Let me give you like a quick review over of the room again, so you can see the size of the room. So that is my review of the room. I'm staying in room 7351. What do you think about the balcony room above Carnival Sunrise? Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, subscribe, click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts? And until next time, happy travels.